Welcome to Image Aggregation. In this video, we're going to be creating the providers that will allow us to populate this catalog with a list of images from AWS. In order to complete this process, you will need an AWS IAM account, the access key and secret for a user that has access to the AWS Marketplace and the ability to create EC2 resources. To begin, we'll go through our mega menu. From Administration, we're going to go to Providers. For this, we will need both a deployment resource provider as well as an image aggregation provider. We're going to begin with the image aggregation providers. As we fill this information out, we will actually be asked to complete that process, and SMAX will create the deployment resource provider for us. We're going to connect, in this case, to Amazon EC2. To complete this process, we need the access key and secret for that IAM account. Once we've entered that information, we'll be able to pick the region. This region is going to be the locations that we will have to create those resources. And for this workshop, we will only be working with the US East 1 or North Virginia. You can pick the relevant regions for your installation. And this is the screen that I was talking about earlier. As long as we choose yes to creating a fulfillment provider, all of the information from the image aggregation provider is going to be transferred automatically to a deployment resource provider for us. As you can see, our catalog is already being built, and if I switch over to deployment resource providers, you'll see that that same information has been transferred over to the deployment resource provider for AWS. If we go back over and take a look at our image catalog now, you'll be able to see that we now have access to AWS Marketplace images. There will be another video shortly that will walk us through publishing an offering based on these images.